Take a deep breath and settle in. Today we're creating with love, not just for the art, but for ourselves. This video is a reminder that your creativity, no matter where it's at, is enough. Since it's Valentine's Day, I wanted to use colours that felt warm and expressive, pinks and reds, to celebrate loving your art at every stage of the journey. I start by framing the page with a simple line of watercolour. This is my way of setting the stage, giving my creativity a space to unfold. There's no plan, just intuition, letting colours blend and move however they want. The process is slow, intentional and calming. I'm not worried about the final piece, only the moment that I'm in. Maybe you felt that too, those times when you create just for the sake of creating, with no pressure and no expectation. Right now the page is simple. Some might even call it unfinished. But that's the beauty of art, it evolves. And just like in life, we don't always see where things are going at first. Sometimes we have to sit with the uncertainty, trust the process, and let things unfold in their own time. One of the most magical things about art is how it changes with time and patience. It's easy to look at a piece and feel like it's missing something, or that it's not good enough yet. But often, all it takes is a small shift, a new detail, a different perspective, a touch of courage to see it in a new light. Our creativity works the same way. Some days we doubt ourselves. We look at our work and only see what is missing. But the truth is, growth isn't always obvious in that moment. With patience, with trust, our art and our confidence slowly transforms. And then, because we've allowed that time and patience, it means that everything comes together. These simple doodles, just a few lines and marks, suddenly bring new energy to the page. What once felt uncertain now feels complete to me. And that's a reminder for all of us. Your art doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be yours. So today I hope that you celebrate your creativity no matter what stage you're in, because your work is always enough. Keep going and keep loving your art. I'll see you in the next video.